Changing the email link to your Xbox account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your current email address and password associated with your Xbox account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, navigate to your info section. Here, you will find options related to your account details, including your email address. Step 3. Change your email address. Look for the option to edit or change your email address. Click on it and follow the prompts to enter your new email address. Step 4. Verify your new email. After entering your new email, Microsoft will send a verification link to that address. Check your inbox and click on the link to confirm the change. Step 5. Update your sign-in info. Once verified, return to your Microsoft account settings to ensure your new email is set as the primary sign-in method. You may need to log in again using your new email. Now you have successfully changed the email link to your Xbox account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.